everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Claudia and today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. This is the makeup that I normally do every single day when I'm going out, just to normal stuff like running errands, going to the store, or anything like that. So if you're interested in watching what I do for my everyday makeup, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light 120. So I'm going to be applying this right here. So to blend the concealer, I'm going to be using the Luxie 250 Large Eye Blending Brush. And I'm going with this brush, I'm going to blend everything together. I don't like using foundation because for every day, I think that it's a little bit too much for my liking. That's why for everyday makeup, I stick with concealer. So after everything is blended, I'm going to be using the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. And this one's translucent, so I'm going to be using a BH Cosmetics number 4 brush to apply it. So after I apply my setting powder, I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula in the shade 6675 Light Bronzer. To be using the BH Cosmetics number 3 brush, I'm going to tap, and then I'm going to apply it in my cheekbones for like a little bit more definition and color to my face. I like to build this up and not apply too much at the beginning. Okay, so after I bronze on my face, I'm going to add some blush, and I'm using the Maybelline Dream Bouncy Blush in the shade Plum 150. I don't even know if they still sell this. I've been using it for a long time and I still love it. Probably wouldn't recommend that. So to apply the blush, I'm going to be using this brush that I took from my mom ages ago. So I don't know where it's from or anything. I'm gonna get a little bit and I'm going to apply it in the apples of my cheek. Okay, so after I apply blush, I'm going to be using the highlight by Laura Geller. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. In the shade Gilded Honey, and it's this one right here. And I'm going to get a little bit with my Anastasia A23 brush. This is my favorite highlight brush. And I'm going to apply just a little bit because it's like day makeup, like my everyday makeup, and I don't like to apply like too much highlight. But just a little bit goes a long way. And for eyebrows, I use the Wet n Wild Micro Brow Pencil. I don't know the shade. The shade that I always pick is dark. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows down and I'm going to fill them in. For my eyelashes, I'm going to be using the Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Volume and Length Mascara. And it's this one right here. But before I apply it, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes with this little thing. I don't know where it's from, but I love it. I've had like others after this one because this one was my mom's before I took it. I let go really slowly. And then I'm going to apply the mascara. I apply a thin layer of mascara first. Then I'm going to go and curl the next side. I'm gonna go ahead and let it dry a little bit more, and I'm going to be using the Carmex Classic Lip Balm for my lips to moisturize my lips. And I'm going to be using the Becca Ultimate Lip Definer in the shade Fearless. And I'm just going to line my lips. I totally love this lip liner. It's one of my favorite ones. It's so creamy and smooth, and it's just like one of the best lip liners I've ever had. I totally recommend it. So I'm going to be moving back to my eyelashes and finish that up. I'm going to be using the curler again, and this time I'm going to be extra careful because you don't want to pull your eyelashes. I'm gonna let go, pull upwards, and I'm going to apply another coat of mascara, back and forth and going up. So with a Q-tip, I'm just going to be going back and cleaning the last bits of mascara that I have on my lids. So I'm finished, and now to set everything in place, I'm going to be using the Flower Beauty Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. I don't like to get it on my lips, so I normally just close my lips. Now, wait for that to dry. So you've reached the end of my everyday makeup routine video. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button down below and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I hope that you guys all have a great day today, and that's it. Bye. See you guys on my next video.